Hi, hello, good morning, madam. This is Manikant Reddy from uh, Cybersecurity A section. My roll number is 22951 A6238. Today, I want to explain my tech talk. Question is uh, your the question is you are given two positive integers a and b. Find the number of pairs of positive integers x comma y such that 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to a, comma 1 less than or equal to y less than or equal to b, and x plus y is even. Okay. Uh, just we'll look into PPT. Okay. Here is my question. If you are taking uh, two positive integers a and b, find the number of pairs of positive integers x comma y such that uh, x lies between a and 1. It must be a positive number, and y lies between 1 and b, and the x and y value, addition of x and y values must be even. So we have to find the pairs of positive integers. Okay. uh, just look into the concept of this question, and afterwards algorithm, we'll see an algorithm and flowchart, and we'll see source of code also, and we can see output. Okay. uh, okay. uh, Before going to understand the code, we have to understand the question. How can we solve in different types? And I choose one case, one method. So in that, some cases are there for analyzing the problem using a few cases. So here, case one, we have to understand both a and b are even numbers. Okay. What we are taking, suppose we are taking a two numbers, that a and b are we are taking. So so both a and b are even numbers. In this case, all possible values of x and y will be even. Since both a and b are even, there are a by 2 even values for x and b by 2 even values for y. The total number of pairs will be a by 2 into b by 2. Okay. uh, Equal to ab by 4. This is the case one, and we'll see case two also. Both a and b are odd numbers. First case one is what? Both a and b are even numbers. Now second case is a and b are odd numbers. Okay. In this case, all possible values of x and y will be odd, since both a and b are odd. Okay. uh, there are a plus 1 by 2 odd values for x, b plus 1 by 2 odd values for x, for y, sorry. The total number of pairs will be a plus 1 by 2 into b plus 1 by 2. That is a plus 1 into b plus 1 by 4. This is case 2. Case 1 is what? A and b are both are even numbers. That is the case 1. And this is second case is what? Both the numbers we chosen, a and b are odd numbers. Okay. Now the case 3 is what? A is even. One of the two numbers is even, and another one is odd. Okay. In this case, x can be either even or odd, but y has to be odd to ensure that x plus y is even. Here, x can either be even or odd, but y has to be odd, and it is compulsory. X must be x either even or odd, but y must be odd only, so that x plus y is even. There are a by 2 even values for x and b plus 1 by 2 odd values for y. The total number of pairs will be a by 2 into b plus 1 by 2. Okay, ab by 4 plus a by 2. The total number of pairs we are counting that in three case 3. And now the case 4 is what? A is odd, and b is even. Before first case is what? Both are even. And second case is what? Both are odd. And third case is a is even and b is odd. Now case 4 is what? A is we chosen that a is odd and b is even. In that case, what will how total numbers will be? Okay, this case is similar to case 3, but with the roles of a and b are reversed. Okay, um, in previous case, what is that? A is even. So the total number of pairs will be a by 2, ab by 4 plus a by 2. Now ab by 4 plus b by 2. Okay, uh, just I will read the this case, just you understand that a is odd and b is even. This case is similar to case 3, but the roles of the a and b are reversed. There are a plus 1 by 2 odd values for x and b by 2 even values for y. The total number of pairs will be a plus 1 by 2 into b by 2, ab by 4 plus b by 2. This is the one case 4. Okay, therefore the total number of pairs in all cases will be ab by 4 plus a by 2 plus b by 2 plus a plus 1 into a b plus 1 by 4. This expression we will get from all these cases. Okay, uh, simplifying it's very lengthy. So we try to simplify the equation. Okay, simplify the expression for the ab by 4 plus a plus b by a plus b plus 2 by 4 plus a plus 1 into b plus 1 by 4. Hence, the total number of positive pairs x comma y such that 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to a, comma 1 less than or equal to b less than or equal, sorry, 1 less than or equal to y less than or equal to b. Here x and y, x lies in between 1 and a and y lies in between 1 and b, and x plus y must be even. So the number of pairs will count. If x plus y is odd, the count will not increase. Count will be as it is. Suppose if you are taking count equal to 0, the x plus y is odd, the count doesn't increase. The count it is equal to 0 only. Okay. Now the equation, the expression for the finding total number of pairs in all cases will be simplified equation will be ab by 4 plus a plus b plus 2 by 4 plus a plus 1 into b plus 1 by 4. This is the simplified equation. Till this we didn't we don't have any we don't have we don't no need to have the coding language. Here till now you have basic mathematics only. Okay, the algorithm for this question. Here the algorithm means first of all we will learn what is algorithm. Algorithm means what? The how we are writing the code. It algorithm explains line by line. Okay, explains each line by line, uh, written in general English language only. It doesn't have any code. Algorithm is means what? The finite number of steps from starting to ending of the code. We'll explain each by line. Okay, first algorithm for this question is first initialize a variable counter to keep track number of valid pairs. Okay. Uh, First initializing the variable called counter. Count is count equal to 0. We have to initialize in a code. And second, start a loop to iterate through values of x from 1 to a. Within the x loop, start another loop to iterate through the values from of y from 1 to b. Okay. Uh, uh, we have to write the loop, nested loop. Okay. Okay. Third point is check if the sum is x plus y is even by evaluating the expression. How we are evaluating the sum is must be even or odd. The modulus function, arithmetic operation is there. Modulus operator is there. Suppose if you have a number like suppose I have to take a number called 5. Okay, 5 divisible by 2 is not equal to 5 divisible by 2. The remainder must be equal. So that is called a even number. But 5 divisible by 2 is not, the remainder doesn't not equal to. Third one is the sum of the x and y is even by evaluating. Continue the loop until all the values of y have been checked. Repeat steps 2 to 5 until values of x has been checked. Okay. Seventh point is display the value of count which represents the total number of ways that satisfy the given conditions. This is the algorithm to find the number of pairs of positive integers. Now let's see flow chart. First, this is the flow chart. Okay. First of all, start is there, and second one, uh, read the values of a and b. Initialize int count equal to 0. We have to put int must and should because count is an integer. We have to count the number of pairs of positive integers. No? We don't take a character or float. We have to take only integer. Okay. And next decision making is check x equal to 1 and x greater than or less than or equal to a, and increment x by 1. Okay. Check y equal to 1 and y less than or equal to b, increment by 1. Check if x plus y is even, display x plus even. Okay. Yeah, here is the source code, the uh, finding number of in positive even pairs. Okay, uh, here is a header file, hashtag include studio.h into main of this is the okay. We have to initialize two variables like a comma b. We have to put semicolon end of the each line, and initialize the count variable equal to 0, and we have to scan the two variables now. Okay, now printf enter the value of a, and scanf percent d and address a. We have to scan the input values. We have to write these two lines. Okay, another value printf enter the value of b, scanf is a this is the one. No, we already read the two values like a and b, and we are checking the value in between one and a and one and b. The two values, the sum of the two values, like x is in between one and a, and y is in between one and b. The two values x and y. If you add two numbers, check if the x plus y is even or odd. Okay, for int x equal to 1, x less than or equal to a, x plus plus. And for int y equal to 1, int y less than or equal to b, y plus plus. Check if x plus y is even. Okay, if x plus y modulus 2 equal to 0, count plus plus. Count plus plus means what? Count value must be increased by 1. Okay, x plus y is even, so the count will be increased by 1. Print number of pairs of x comma y such that x plus y is even. Percent d slash n count return 0. We have to put the last close bracket. This is must. If we forget this, the code will not be run. Okay, the next. In this program, the user is prompted to enter the values of a and b, which are then stored in a variables a and b respectively. The program then uses nested loops to iterate through all the values of x and y. For each pair, the x comma y checks if the sum x plus y is even by using the modulus operator. If the sum is even, the counter variable count is incremented. Finally, the program output the total number of pairs x comma y where x plus y is even. Okay, here is an output. We have to take enter the input values. Enter the value of a 2, a as 2. Enter the value of b 2. Okay, the total number of pairs x plus y is even, is 1. And second input value is what? Enter the value of a 5. Enter the value of b 4. The total number of pairs x plus y. X means what? The value existed between 1 and a. The value existed between 1 and b is what? Y. Okay, x plus y is even, so the output will be 8. This is how the output will come, which okay. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you so much.